Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make canned tuna salad, easy method. Drain the tuna thoroughly and flake with a fork, then measure mayonnaise and chop onion finely for even distribution. Mix gently to keep some tuna texture, avoiding overmashing. Taste and adjust seasoning with salt and pepper, then add a squeeze of lemon for acidity. Serve chilled on bread, crackers, or a bed of greens for a quick meal. Start by flaking the drained tuna with a fork to maintain pleasant chunks and mouthfeel while avoiding a paste. Add mayonnaise in small increments, folding it through evenly so every bite has balance. Incorporate add-ins like celery and pickles for crunch and bright acid from lemon or vinegar for lift. Adjust salt and black pepper to taste, then chill briefly so flavors meld and the salad firms up slightly. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like. It really helps me make more cooking videos you'll find useful. Quick recommendation. The product seen here helps you read recipes anywhere with comfort and clarity, perfect for kitchen use or meal planning on the go. Check the description for the link and other deals, and to learn more about that device, now let's get back to the video. For easy serving ideas, try the salad in a toasted sandwich with crisp lettuce for satisfying crunch and contrast. Spoon it over a mixed green bowl with cucumber and tomatoes for a lighter, ready-to-eat lunch option that still feels substantial. For parties, hollow out tomato halves or use endive leaves as single-serve vessels to make an attractive, bite-sized appetizer that's simple to assemble and appeals to many tastes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.